The drone buzzed quietly overhead, capturing the raw expanse of untouched wilderness below. The view was breathtaking. Lush green foliage stretched endlessly, interrupted only by narrow dirt trails that snaked through the dense forest. A solitary vehicle was parked at a clearing near the edge of the path, dwarfed by the towering trees and sprawling canopies. This was not a place for the faint-hearted. The team of explorers had arrived with a mission, to survey the uncharted land, searching for signs of hidden resources and untapped opportunities. From above, the drone revealed the intricate maze of trails, some leading to nowhere, others hinting at ancient paths carved long ago by those who had dared to venture here before. As the team studied the footage, a story began to unfold. The faded white patches on the ground looked like remnants of something unnatural, perhaps an abandoned excavation or the beginnings of a long-forgotten settlement. The untouched beauty of the landscape whispered secrets of the past, a time when this land was alive with purpose and industry. The explorers decided to follow the trail that diverged from the main path. It was narrow and overgrown, a clear sign that few had walked it in years. Along the way, they noticed traces of life, birdsong in the air, the occasional rustle of leaves signaling the movement of hidden creatures. But it wasn't just the natural world that spoke to them. There was something else, an energy, as though the land itself was guarding its mysteries, waiting for the right moment to reveal them. By the end of the day, the team stood at the edge of one of the paths the drone had highlighted earlier. In the distance, just beyond the trees, they saw what appeared to be a glimmer of water, a lake hidden within the forest, its surface reflecting the late afternoon sun. It was the kind of discovery that could change everything. Was this place just a stunning natural wonder, or was it hiding something more beneath the surface? With a sense of excitement and trepidation, they marked their location and made plans to return. The journey into the unknown had only just begun.